video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. The fastest serve performed by Anders Lind. Hello, how are you today? I'm EmRatThich. Today let's learn the fastest table tennis serve in the world. This serve is performed by Anders Lind. In modern table tennis, top players typically rely on short serves to control the rally and force the opponent into a passive return. However, Anders Lind, a Danish player known for his creativity and aggressive playing style, has demonstrated that a well-executed fast serve can catch even the best players off guard. In one of his matches, Lind performed an exceptionally fast serve. Winning the point outright, a rare sight in professional table tennis. The technique behind this fast serve is both technical and strategic. To perform it, Lind starts by tossing the ball high into the air. Instead of using the forehand or traditional backhand serve, he strikes the ball with the backhand side of the rubber. The key here is the rotational movement during the serve. By rotating his wrist and applying power through the backhand, Lind is able to generate more force, causing the ball to travel at a high speed across the table. Another critical aspect of this serve is the contact point. The lower contact point allows the ball to stay low over the net, making it harder for the opponent to react in time. The combination of speed, force, and precision makes this fast serve highly effective when executed correctly. While fast serves like this are rarely seen at the highest level, Lind's ability to mix up his serves and introduce unpredictability into his game demonstrates how important variety is in table tennis. His serve is a great example of how breaking away from the norm can sometimes lead to spectacular results.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.